to our channel. I'm Lehna.
I'm Louise.
And this is our first video in 2022. So, Happy New Year! For those who are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like so then you can get notifications. So basically, press the bell. So, let's get started! Today's theme is chess. Not only are we going to tell you the history of chess, but we're actually going to play the game chess. Chess started 1500 years ago in India. Oh my god. I didn't think that at first, but I guess someone would say that about chess. So yeah. Let's go to the next thing. History of chess. The game was taken to Persia. Then when the Arabs conquered Persia, they've taken the game up to the Muslim world. Then eventually here, chess game. The game of chess is all about tactics and war. Now let's teach you how to play chess. Now we're going to show you how to play the game of chess. But before we actually show you how to play the game of chess, we're going to tell you how the pieces work and how chess works. Let's open it up. Whoa. For this packet, it's silver and gold, but it's supposed to be black and white. This one is also a magnet. Whoa! The board game is black and white. You can see that already. And these things are supposed to be black and white too. But yeah. Okay, let's start by showing you what these are. This is called a rook, but it's shaped as a castle because in the game it's a castle. So we're gonna put that on the sides. Let's put, oh thank you. Next rook, okay, where's your rooks? Oh, here's one. Can you find another one? Oh, bingo. Found it. Yeah. Put them here. Yeah. The next one is a knight. Shaped as a horse. Again, it's shaped as a horse because in the game it's a horse. But it's really called a knight. Okay? Find your knight. Find your horses. One. Next to.
Where's the other one?
Put them right there. Just there. On to the next thing. Now we are on to bishop. There's a white bishop and a black bishop. The white bishop, it goes on the white. On the black bishop, it goes on the black. Okay, I actually forgot you had to move them, but the rooks, they move up, down, and they go left, right, sideways. The horse, it goes 1, 2, 3, and then it goes 2. We can go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. The white bishop, it goes diagonal on a white. It can't go on a black because it's called a white bishop. The black bishop, same thing. It only goes diagonal but in blacks because it's called a black bishop. Okay, let's go on to the next thing. The queen. She's the second most important thing in the game. She goes next to the bishop, just there. Wait, did you put your bishops? No. Ah. Yeah, put your one there and one there. Yep. Okay, where's your queen? Yep. You put it there. Yeah, it's there. Okay, the most important part of the game. The king. If the king is dead, if the king is dead, the whole kingdom is gone. if the other kingdom kills the king, they say checkmate.
Hi.
Okay,
Dress.
can you find your king?
I found it already.
Yeah, put it there. Okay. Now the protective armor thing. This is the pone, but it doesn't look like a soldier at all. But in the game, it's a soldier. So we put it all here. For the pone, it moves only one space. Where it doesn't go left or right. It goes one step there, and but to kill it, you go diagonal. So you go boom, and then it's out. The king, he moves one step, but every way. You can go left to right, diagonal, up. I think, yeah, he goes backwards. And the queen, she moves any way, any number. So if I want to go boom, 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 I can go any way. So I move 4 spaces. You can move 5 spaces, 8 spaces. It doesn't matter how much spaces. And she can go any way. Okay. Let's put our pony on. Let's start the game. Okay, I'm gonna move first. Lizzie, your turn. Okay, that's our first move. What's my next move? What am I gonna do? Oh, I think I know. Queen to C6. C6. Your turn, Louise.
Bishop to 3.
Is she trying to kill my bishop or trying to do something around my king? They're both really good options for her, but I have to choose one. Okay. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Maybe I'll go this one. There. Maybe. I don't know. I'm just gonna do it. What are you gonna do? Okay. No, what am I gonna do? Okay, now another confusing part. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna move this one again. Okay, let's see. What is it? B4. Yeah, probably B4. Yeah, Lucy, your turn.
G5.
What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Okay. Pawn to B6. Boom. Your turn, Louise. What are you gonna do with your queen? Oh no, you killed my horse. You killed my knight. Okay, it's all yours now. I guess your queen is gonna go there. I don't think I've done good moves. What should I do? Your turn. Okay, now I'm going again. I'm not 100% sure about my move, but I think it'll be just to keep me safe. My king safe. Away from my kingdom. Go away! Get away from it! Away from my kingdom! It's my turn. My I just understand this? Twin telepathy. Even though I don't need to use it right now. Oh, okay. Be rat! You go close to my kingdom, I go close to yours. Okay. I go close to yours. If you go close to mine, you'll see what will happen. You'll say. Okay, let's get on to the next move. Sacrifice my queen for a night. Okay, let's just go on with it. Boom.
Hey.
Don't kill my queen. Boom. I told you. Don't kill my queen. Why did you just do a big snort? Oh my god. Confusing. Alright, so. What is she trying to do? What is she trying to do? That's the question. H6. Be careful of your bishop. K.
Be careful of your bishop.
Okay, now Louise, you move. Do you want to say anything? Don't go close to my king. Staring contest starts now.
You almost got on this one.
Well, because you don't care about your silly bishop, I'm just gonna eat it like bam. I forgot about my king. What do you say?
Fish.
Do you want me to tell you? Is it hard to? Is it? You say checkmate.
Checkmate.
He kills my king.
Yay!
My whole kingdom's gone.
Now we got 3.
Your whole king. I told you not to go near my kingdom. You wanna fight? I told you not to go near my. I told you not to go near my kingdom. I told you not to go near my kingdom.
Nana, you know your head can be eaten.
You killed my king! Congratulations, Louise! You're the winner!
Yay!
Okay, now kneel down so then I can crown you. Kind of. Kneel down. You are awarded this magical rock. Gives you great powers.
Hey.
Supposed to be on your head, okay? Or like that.
That's what Mommy made.
Well guys, thank you for watching this video. Louise won the chess battle. Yeah, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, like the video, and maybe you learned something today. Well, come back next week for another educational video. Bye! Chess battle. Chess battle.